Hello friends. Today we will learn chapter first. Chapter name is the Samvadatvam. May all of you speak together. In this poetry we have given 5 mantras. First 3 mantras taken in Vedas. First mantra taken in Rigvedas. Second mantra taken in Yajurvedas. And third mantra taken in Atharva Vedas. And last 2 mantra taken in other authors' books. The first 3 mantra in this lesson have been taken respectively from Rigveda, Yajurveda and Atharva Veda. The last 2 verses are popular prayers called Shanti Mantras. We have seen first Vedas, Rigvedas. Rigvedas is the first among the Vedas. It is the most ancient in collections of hymns and addressed to gods and deities. The verses in this book is called Rigveda, consists of 10 chapters that are called mandala. Second, we see Ajurvedas. Ajurvedas contains the mantras that are useful for sacrifice. Each mantra is called Yajus. There are 40 chapters and 1975 mantras. The two collections of Yajurvedas are known as Shukla Yajurveda and Krishna Yajurveda. Atharva Veda. We see third Vedas Atharva Veda. Atharva Veda is the last among the Vedas. Atharva Veda contains many forms of imprecations for the destructions of enemy and also prayer for safety and everything's mishaps, evils, sins and numbers of hymns addressed to God. Vedas are preeminent source of Indian knowledge and religious traditions. 4 Vedas known as Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samveda and Atharva Veda are in poetry form. The verses of Vedas are called mantras. In this mantra there are many incarnations throughout which advice is given. For enhance Vedic ideas virtues learned poet devotees being inspired by such Vedic prayers have composed many incantations and prayer in different popular matters. These prayers are also in poetry orders and are called slokas. Like Vedas, these slokas are also composed, keeping in mind the universal feeling. Not only that, but the desires for welfare of every living being is also expressed. Two of such well-known prayers are presented here. We learn first mantras. First mantras. We learn first mantras. स गच्छध्वम स वदध्वम संवो मनासि जानतां देवाभागं यथा पूर्वे समजानना उपासते। सं गच्छध्वम सं वदध्वम सं वो मनासि जानतां देवाभागं यथा पूर्वे समजानना उपासते। तो इसमें जो फर्स्ट हमें दिया है पूर्व, तो पूर्व वर्ड्स का मीनिंग होगा इन द पास्ट। पूर्व वर्ड्स का मीनिंग होगा इन द पास्ट। सेकेंड हमें दिया है यथा। यथा का मीन्स होगा जस्ट एज। यथा मीन्स जस्ट एज। समझनानाम। समझनानाम का मीन्स होगा लिविंग इन हार्मनी। भागम। भागम का मीन्स होगा पोर्शन। उपासते। उपासते का मीन्स होगा एक्सेप्ट। गच्छध्वम। गच्छध्वम का मीन्स मूव टुगेदर। संवदध्वम। संवदध्वम। संवदध्वम means speak together. Manasi. Manasi means minds. Samjanata. Samjanata means may your mind know similarly. Or janata means your mind. We have learned English translations. May you move in harmony, speak together. Let your mind be all of one accord, just as the ancient gods shared their portions of sacrifice. May you move in harmony, speak together. Let your mind be all of one accord, just as the ancient gods shared their portions of sacrifice. The first mantra says the verses is addressed to the priest who perform a sacrifice, and it explains the importance of unity. Do we not say united we stand and divided we fall? Second mantra. विश्वानि देव सवितदूरतानि परासुव यत्पद्रं तन्न आसुव. Second mantra taken in Yajurveda. विश्वानि देव सवितदुरितानि परासुव यद्भद्रं तन्न आसुव. विश्वानि देवसवितानि. देवसवितानि. देवसवितानि means O sun god. दुरितानि. यहाँ पे हमें दिया है दुरितानि. दुरितानि means all evil deeds. परासुव. परासुव means remove. परासुव means remove. Yadbhadram. Yadbhadram means whatever is good. तदन्न. तन्न प्लस आंसू हमें यहाँ पे दिया है, बट हमें यहाँ पे उसकी संधि आएगी. तद प्लस न. तदन्न. तदन्न का मीन्स होता है द सैम. आसुव. आसुव का मीन्स होता है ग्रांट. We see this mantra's translations. O sun god, O sun god, remove all evil deeds or vice. Bless us with all that is good. O sun god, remove all evil deeds or wise, bless us with all that is good. This mantra says the prayer is addressed to the sun god who, according to Vedas, is the creator of the universe, like the sun in the sky, removes darkness and bring light. The sun god will remove the vice and bring expectations good things. The prayer is addressed to the sun god who, according to Vedas, is the creator of the universe, like the sun in the sky, remove darkness and bring light. The sun god will remove the vice and bring expectations good thing. We see third slok. अनुव्रते अनुव्रते पितुः पुत्रो मात्रा भवतु समना छायापते मधुमती वाचं वदतु शान्तिवाम् अनुव्रतः पितुः पुत्रो मात्रा भवतु समना छायापते मधुमती वाचं वदतु शान्तिवाम् अनुव्रते पितु यहाँ में अनुव्रत अनुव्रत मीन्स ones who follow the vows. Ones who follow the vows. Matra or samana. Matra samana means having the same mind. Having the same mind. Jaya. Jaya means wife. Patti. Patti means with husband. Madhumati. Madhumati means sweet. Shantivam. Shantivam means peaceful. And last, Vadatu. Vadatu means may speak. We see English translations. May son follow the vows of father, be of the same thinking as that of mother. May wife speak sweet and peaceful words with husband. May son follow the vows of father. May son follows the vows of father. Be of the same thinking as mother. Be as the same thinking as mothers. May wife speak sweet and peacefully words with husband. We see explanations. Vedic civilizations was patriarchal families where rules by make members. The son was expected to act in accordance with the father's wishes and to be of one mind with the mother's as well. The wife was expected to set an example before her children by taking to her husband in soothing words and sweet as honey. Next, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कच्चिद् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. उसमें हमें फर्स्ट दिया है सर्वे। सर्वे मीन्स होगा ऑल ह्यूमंस बीइंग। नेक्स्ट सुखीनो। सुखीनो मीन्स होगा हैप्पी। नेक्स्ट निरामया। निरामया मीन्स फ्री फ्रॉम डिसीज। निरामया मीन्स फ्री फ्रॉम डिसीज। भद्राणी। भद्राणी means good things. भद्राणी means good things. पश्यन्तु। पश्यन्तु means होगा see, let see. पश्यन्तु means let see. दुख भागो। दुख भागो means होगा unhappy. दुख भागो means unhappy. माँ भवेतो। माँ भवेतो means may not become. We see English translations. May all be happy here. May all be happy here. May all be healthy here. May all see good things. Or may no one be unhappy. Repeat. May all be happy here. May all be healthy. May all see good things. May no one be unhappy. हमारा 5th मंत्र है काले वर्षतु पर्जन्य पृथ्वी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितो मानवा सन्तु निर्भया। काले वर्षतु पर्जन्य पृथ्वी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितो मानवा सन्तु निर्भया। काले फर्स्ट वर्ड दिया है काले। काले मीन्स एट द राइट टाइम। काले मीन्स एट द राइट टाइम। वर्षतु। वर्षतु मीन्स मे शोवर। वर्षतु मीन्स मे शोवर। पृथ्वी। पृथ्वी मीन्स द अर्थ। सस्यशालिनी। सस्यशालिनी मीन्स रिच विथ क्रॉप्स। क्षोभरहितो। क्षोभरहितो means devoid of troubleness. निर्भया। निर्भया means होगा fearless. और लास्ट संतु। संतु means let be. We see English translations. May rain fall at the right time. May rain fall at the right time. May the earth look beautiful with crops. May this country be free from disturbance. May human being be free from fearless. Repeat. May rain fall at the right time. May earth look beautiful with crops. May this country be free from disturbance. Or may human being be free from fear. Explanations. Note the signification order of the wishes. If the rain fall at the right time, there will be good crops. If the crops are good, people will be happy. Similarly, if the country is without disturbance, people will be fearful. We see fourth slok explanations. Man is a social animal. He cannot be happy without the company of others. So it follows that one should wish for the happiness of all mankind. If any person in the family is unhappy, others cannot be happy. If the whole world in our family, Vasudeva Kutumbakam, should we not pray for the happiness of all? So, so now we will revise all mantras English translations. Okay? First mantra, may you move in harmony. First, first mantra का translations, may you move in harmony, speak together, let your mind be all of one accord. Just as the ancient gods shared their portions of sacrifice. Second mantra, O Sun God, remove all evil deeds or vice, bless us with all that is good. Third mantra, may Sun follow the vows of fathers, be of the same thinking as that, be as the same thinking as that of mothers. May wife speak sweet and peacefully words with her husbands. Fourth slok. May all be happy here. May all be happy here. May all be healthy. May all see good things. May no one be unhappy. May all be happy years. May all be healthy. May all see good things. May no one be unhappy. Fifth slok translations. May rain fall at the right time. May the earth look beautiful with crops. May this country be free from disturbance. May human being be free from fears. Then after I ask some questions. Be attentions. First questions. Purve deva katham bhagam upasate? Purve deva katham bhagam upasate? इसका आंसर होगा पूर्वे देवा समजानानां भागम उपासते. पूर्वे देवा समजानानां भागम उपासते. सेकंड क्वेश्चन है जाया कस्य मधुमतीं वाचं वदतु. जाया कस्य मधुमतीं वाचं वदतु. जाया पत्ये मधुमती वाचं वदतु. जाया पत्ये मधुमती वाचं वदतु. मानवा कीदृशा सन्तु. मानवा कीदृशा सन्तु. मानवा निर्भया सन्तु. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन क क्षोभरहित भवतु. क क्षोभरहित भवतु. अयं देशं क्षोभरहित भवतु. अयं देशं क्षोभरहित भवतु. नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे एमसीक्यू. पूर्वे केम समजानानां भागम उपासते। पूर्वे केम समजानानां भागम उपासते। उसमें हमें फोर्थ ऑप्शन दिया है मनुष्याः, असुराः, देवाः या सर्वे। तो उसका आंसर आएगा देवाः। सेकंड है कवि किम याचते। कवि किम याचते। तो उसका आंसर आएगा भद्रम। कवि भद्रम याचते। थर्ड आएगा छाया कीदृशी वाचं वदतु। छाया कीदृशी वाचं वदतु। तो उसका आंसर आएगा छाया शांतिवाम वाचं वदतु। फोर्थ है सर्वे कीदृशा भवन्तु। सर्वे कीदृशा भवन्तु। इसमें मैं फोर्थ ऑप्शन दिया है फर्स्ट योगिनः, मानिनः, सुखिनः या फिर बालिनः। तो उसमें आएगा आंसर सुखिनः। फिफ्थ दिया है पर्जन्य कदा वर्षतु। पर्जन्य कदा वर्षतु। इसमें हमें फोर्थ ऑप्शन दिए हैं यह, अधः, श्वः या काले। तो उसमें आंसर आएगा काले। सिक्स क्वेश्चन है हे देव ब्लैंक दुरितानि परासुव। हे देव ब्लैंक दुरितानि परासुव। इसका फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है अग्नि, सेकंड ऑप्शन है वरुण, थर्ड ऑप्शन है सवितर और फोर्थ ऑप्शन है वायु। तो उसका आंसर आएगा सवितर। 7 हमें दिया है पुत्र ब्लैंक अनुव्रतः भवतु। पुत्रः ब्लैंक अनुव्रतः भवतु। तो उसमें हमें दिया है फर्स्ट में मित्रस्य, मातुः, पितुः या फिर स्वसु। तो उसमें हमें आंसर आएगा पितुः। 8 हमें दिया है निरामया भवन्तु ब्लैंक निरामया भवन्तु। तो उसमें ऑप्शन दिया है फर्स्ट है पक्षिणः, सेकंड है जंतवः, थर्ड है सर्वे और फोर्थ है पशवः। तो उसमें आंसर आएगा सर। बाद में हमें 9th दिया है सर्वे ब्लैंक पश्यन्तु। सर्वे ब्लैंक पश्यन्तु। तो उसमें हमें फोर्थ ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं फर्स्ट है दुरितानि, सेकंड है फलानि, थर्ड है धनानि और फोर्थ है भद्राणि। तो ब्लैंक में आंसर आएगा भद्राणि। सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु। सर्वे सुखिनः, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कचित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। तो यहाँ पे आएगा भद्राणि। और हमारा जो लास्ट है 10th MCQ वो है पृथ्वी ब्लैंक भवतु। पृथ्वी ब्लैंक भवतु। तो उसमें आएगा हमें फोर्थ ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं उसमें फर्स्ट है बलशालिनी, सेकंड है सस्यशालिनी, थर्ड है जलपूर्णा और फोर्थ है धनपूर्णा। तो उसमें आंसर क्या आएगा? सस्यशालिनी। पृथ्वी सस्यशालिनी। काले वर्षतु पर्जन्य पृथ्वी सस्यशालिनी, देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितो मानवा सन्तु निर्भया। तो हमारा यहाँ पे आंसर क्या आएगा? सस्यशालिनी। तो यहाँ पे हमारा चैप्टर फर्स्ट फिनिश हुआ। थैंक यू।